Need. You have an Excel file with financial data, and you want to enrich it with another information to generate a report. To do this, you have to merge this file with tables in the company database. Problem. You have to write an email to ICT team to explain your needs. The ICT guys answer that it's possible, but you have to wait because there are other priorities. Many times, however, they answer only that you have to open a formal request to work your task. Time passes. Sometimes days pass. When you have the result, you are already busy with something else, and taking up that job requires more effort. Solution. You can use STEP to bypass the ICT team and be autonomous. It's easy to do. Take a look. 1. Compile the configuration file. 2. Load it into STEP. 3. Run STEP. You can find the link to a detailed tutorial video in the description at the end of this video. Request a free trial of STEP.